everyone, this is Jerrica from MAXIZM. I'm in Qingdao Port warehouse now. These machines are ordered by our customer and they will be disassembled and packed at here. Behind me, there are 5 units XCMG LW300KN wheel loader. They will be shipped to my clients this week. Let's learn about it first. For this loader, the rated operating weight is 3 tons, and it is equipped with standard 2 cubic meter bucket. And this loader adapts WEICHAI diesel engine, pilot control, and AC cabin. Okay, let's check more details. As the solo-speed engine energy conservation product, among the industry's 3-ton loaders, it's leading the industry's energy conservation trend. XCMG's patented heavy-duty drive system assembly, box frame structure of super strong carrying capacity, comprehensive optimized working device. The fuel wheel cap sufficiently takes in consideration the human-machine functions to realize high operation safety and comfort. Undertaking the concept of ground maintenance, all maintenance locations are arranged to ease checking and maintenance. Thanks for watching. Hope you will like MAXIZM channel.